Hey guys, so I'm kind of working backwards here on this video. Unfortunately, I always start doing things and then think like, hey, maybe somebody could use this information. So I already took off the panel. This is from a Kenmore Elite dryer. Took off that panel. I know a lot of the videos for some reason, and I guess it's more like a disassembly type videos on the other ones, that they pretty much tell you how to take the whole thing apart. And it's cool if you really need to get in there to really detail the machine or maybe do maintenance to it a little bit deeper than my cleaning. Mine's just really just cleaning up all the lint. I've noticed that the heat and the suction's not as heavy. And when I took this off, you guys can see that this thing is normally right there, like covering that little wheel. And it's just covered. There were pennies in here. The little things that hold up your collars and shirts. There were bobby pins. And you can see there's literally a bunch of sand in there from when I used to work out in the desert. There's that, and then I vacuumed just a little bit, and you can see a huge difference just on that little tip that I cleaned off right there. And inside this thing that spins, you can see all the black lint. And if I move it a little bit, you can see it move, and it's just real dirty. So hopefully this video helps y'all out. To take this front panel on, it's just putting a screwdriver up on this, pushing up slightly as you pull down, and then both of them come down. You just lift it up off of the hinges, and then I guess it's a reverse process to put it back on. I'll do an update once I'm done. Hey guys, so I just used the vacuum, just a regular vacuum that I use around the house. Doesn't have to be a shop vac, which by all means, if you want to, you can. Clean this thing out. It's almost spotless. I mean, given the circumstances of years, this thing's probably like 10 years old on this dryer. As you can see, it's cleaned out. It's like night and day in there. And this whole little thing took probably about, I'd say about 30 minutes total. That was to figure out how to pop off that little screw and then put it back on. And then to put this back on, I'm just going in reverse order. You just line it up, put the 3 screws back. That'll pop in there. Close up the panel, and that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, just one last thing, just to let you know, this is all that came out. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's actually almost half the canister just full of stuff. And this wasn't in the actual exhaust port part. This was just all that accumulated from that little turbine looking thing. And then just on the outside where it's, I guess, been able to weasel its way around. So who knows? I mean, the reason I thought about doing this was because people said it's like a huge fire hazard, and apparently it affects a lot of people. Causes house fires throughout the United States every year. You know, who knows? It was a statistic, right? You never know if it's true, but that's what made me really think about doing this. And I guess there was a lot in there, so I'm glad I did. Thanks, guys.